Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete application if you cannot delete it just usual way. For example, usually we delete application like that. Just hold on application and just select this uninstall. But if you have, for example, virus or something else, you cannot delete like that. So you need to do you should to do the next actions. First of all, type to settings. If you don't have settings here, you can find this here, settings. After choose menu security and privacy. After that, in the end of screen, other security settings. After that, you should to choose device admin application app. So maybe you can see application here and you just need to switch off application, switch off. So you should application just like that. Your switcher should be like that, so switch off. After that you can try to delete application. If you don't do it like that, so maybe you have virus or something more there, and you need to switch on your phone in safety mode. I can show you how to do it. For entering for safety mode in your phone, you should to push the button switch off and hold. As you can see, three options: power off, restart, and emergency call. Just as you can see, power off, you need to push and hold this button, and after you can see safe mode. Just type this and your phone will restart in safe mode. Safe mode lets to you to delete virus and something wrong with your phone, to fix some problems. And so after, wait, as you can see, the phone is safe mode. Of course, just come to your phone is restarting. After your phone is switched on in safe mode, you can see safe mode. Just again type to settings. After again searching the security and privacy. Again at the end of screen, other security settings, and after choose please device admin application, and again try to switch off all application which you would like to delete. And after delete, like usually, delete to you, for example, like this, and uninstall, and your application will be deleted. But after, to switch off safe mode, just again push the button of power and push restart, and your phone will be in usual regular mode, not in a safe mode. So as you like this video, just make a like. See you, bye.